The ground is cracked, the sky's been still. We've prayed and we've waited on your will. The dust is heavy, the night's grown long, but faith still whispers a brand new song. There's a cloud the size of a reaching hand. Heaven's moving across this land. Hope's been planted through the pain. I can hear the sound of the rain. The heavens open, thunder speaks. The voice of God breaks through the weak. Let it rain, let your spirit pour. Break these walls we built before. Hearts on fire, lift again. We can hear the sound of the coming rain. Flood this ground, shake these chains. Revive our hearts, ignite our faith. Heaven's moving, grace remains. We can hear the sound of the The drought is over, the tide's come in. Your mercy drowns the weight of sin. You breathe on ashes, you make them rise. The King of glory lights the skies. The hand that carved the mountain stone now writes revival on our souls. So let it come, Lord, don't delay. We can feel the storm of grace. The heavens open, the thunder speaks. Your glory's falling on the meek. Let it rain, let your spirit pour. Break these walls we've built before. Hearts on fire, lift again. We can hear the sound of the coming rain. Flood this ground, shake these chains. Revive our hearts, ignite our faith. Heaven's moving, grace remains. We can hear the sound of the rain. Write your law on every heart. Send the fire, tear the dark apart. You are the breath that brings new life. You are the storm that wakes the night. Let the flood of heaven fall. Spirit, come and conquer all. Your power's breaking through the pain. We hear the sound of the rain. Let it rain, let your spirit pour. Break these walls we've built before. Hearts on fire, lift again. We can hear the sound of the coming